Hello everyone, Camille here from Morfosoaps. Thanks for joining me with the making of Apple Pie Soap by Morfosoaps. So as the name says, it smells really like apple. So this soap was inspired by the apple pie. It's the fall, and as we mentioned, in the month of October, we are doing soaps that are inspired by desserts. So this is one of the desserts that we usually get during this time of the year, the apple pie. So for this soap, we started by mixing the color, mixing the batter, and adding the lye water to the oils and butters. So we created the batter, and then we will color each layer, and we will go ahead and start pouring them. We went with colors that are very similar to the apple pie caramel content of the pie. And for the soap design, we did layers. So we did 3 layers with texturing the top between the layers, and then we finished the top of the soap by white piping and then adding small apple embeds on top of the piping. So this is pretty much it. I will leave you to watch the making of the soap. I really hope you enjoy watching it. If you do, give us a thumbs up. And again, I invite you to subscribe to our channel if you're not subscribed, so you can always see what we upload every week. We have so much fun making those soaps. So I'll see you again next week with another soap making, with another dessert inspired soap for the month of October. Until next week, stay safe, take care of yourselves, be happy, smile, stay positive. See you soon. Bye for now.